Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you're using an administrator account because the changes require elevated rights. First, pause syncing from the OneDrive system tray icon to prevent file conflicts. Choose 2 hours so files stop uploading. Once paused, right-click the icon and select Close OneDrive to stop the running process. This prevents automatic restarts while you disable it. Make sure to verify the icon disappears from the notification area before continuing so services won't interfere with the next steps. Next, disable OneDrive from launching automatically so it stays inactive. Go to Settings, App Startup and toggle Microsoft OneDrive to off. This prevents future background starts. Then open OneDrive, go to Help and Settings, open Settings, and under Account choose Unlink this PC. The app will stop connecting your files to the cloud. Make sure you've confirmed files you need are stored locally or backed up, because unlinking stops synchronization and could leave changes unpropagated to the cloud until you relink. Finally, decide whether to uninstall OneDrive or block it. For a straightforward remove, go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, find Microsoft OneDrive and choose Uninstall. This removes the client. If uninstall is blocked on managed devices, use Group Policy or the registry to disable OneDrive integration. Apply policy, then restart. Once done, restart the PC and open Task Manager and Services to confirm OneDrive isn't running. If it reappears, check Startup Rules and Group Policy refresh. Reapply or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.